I'm a multitask person and I'm a consultant anaesthetist as well as an entrepreneur as well as a politician. I have a lot of guests coming up and we have a lot of social functions. People who are a bit more elderly, for them to climb 3 stories, that is accessible to even elderly people. So that is the reason. Basically, if you see my house, my entertainment floor is the 3rd floor. A lot of my sisters and brothers who are elderly relatives, so they have always find it difficult to climb the stairs. So I thought to relieve their pain, because they all want to be part of the celebration. So this is why I wanted to have a lift. I've thought of home elevators for the last 7 or 8 years. Actually, for the last 2-3 years, spent time and I got a lot of companies coming to see me. It has been about 2 to 3 years really. We start looking for a home elevator. There was one person, in spite of me seeing so many other lift personnel, one person did a very good presentation to me. And I'm a person who will never sign a lift unless I'm convinced it will work. He was such a convincing power. So that's why I chose the lift. The process was good. We all came through mutual consultation. I felt it was good. And today, being handed over to me has convinced me that I made the right choice. I'm overall satisfied. But I'm convinced it is quite a good lift and it's so smooth. You know, there's not much of a jerk, and I feel I made the right choice. Of course, my children now were all overseas, and my wife, they are convinced that we should have a lift. It's an excellent company. No doubt it has started initially. It is now becoming more established and convincing. And of course, the tagline that excellency is part of your job.